Okay, so I recently purchased this Philips home access electronic deadbolt from Amazon. Comes with 4 different ways to unlock. You can use a PIN code with the touchpad. It also has a fingerprint sensor built in. You can also set one-time PIN codes, and it also has a key for manual access if you lose power. And this is what it looks like.
Door unlocked.
Has voice to notify you. Also comes with this door latch. Install was pretty smooth. It's a good looking unit. Touch to wake. And you can input your PIN code to unlock. You can use a thumbprint sensor or fingerprint sensor.
Door locked.
So it speaks, which is a nice feature.
Verification succeeded.
You can use your thumb or any finger to lock. It also will allow you to program up to 50 different fingerprints. I've already programmed my daughters and myself and my wife. It's really easy to do, quick and easy. Like I said, it comes with this nice latch. Easy for kids to open as well. And if you lock yourself out, there's a manual lock included. It comes with 2 keys. So overall, I'm really impressed with this so far. Like I said, another feature it has is you can set a one-time use code through the app that you download. And so if you have someone coming to do some work on your house, you want to give them access without giving them, a permanent code, you can use the app to program a one-time PIN code. They get in, do their work, they get out, and the code will never work again. So that's a really nice feature that I like. Been very impressed with this so far. Highly recommend.